Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, we have a great opportunity from Deloitte for all freshers. So it's an off-campus job which is based on FSD or data analytics technology. So you'll get posted in Hyderabad location once you get hired for this position. So they have opened this position only for freshers, for which you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum initially. So coming to your eligibility criteria, here you can see experience is a fresher. So only freshers can apply for this position from 2022 and 23 batch. So your work timings would be between 11 to 8 p.m. and your work location would be Hyderabad. So all BTech or a BE or MCA candidates can apply for this position, and it's all like you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So coming to your skill set, you should have a very good understanding of a .NET or SAP or data analytics. So that's about your skill set, nothing much that I mentioned here. So coming to your role, so once you get hired for this position, you'll be part of a development group or FSD or data analytics team. So you'll be responsible for delivering all technical solutions. So as a fresher, you'll be assigned some initial responsibilities as a developer. So guys, if you have a very good understanding of all these technologies like .NET, SAP or data analytics, so just apply for this position as soon as possible. And if you have any further queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can assist you further. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have one more position open from Deloitte for .NET full stack developer position. And so your designation would be either analyst or senior analyst, and you'll get posted in Hyderabad location once you get hired for this position. So they have opened this position for minimum experienced candidates, and for which you can expect up to 6 to 20 lakh per annum, which may vary based on your experience. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria for this position. So here you can see all BTech or BE or MCA or MTech graduates can apply for this position, but you should have a minimum experience of 1 year. So all 1 to 6 years experienced candidates in the relevant field can apply for this position, and you'll get posted in Hyderabad location, and your work timings will be in two shifts like 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So for which you'll be paid a shift allowances as well based on your shift. So coming to your skill set, so you should have good skills in ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, and you should be strong in C hash and OOPS concepts and Web API, AJAX, HTML5, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, SQL Server, automated unit testing, and performance testing, C hash and SQL, and third-party web controls. So you should be skilled in all front-end frameworks like Durandal and Knockout. So you should have a good working knowledge on client-side applications using window forms. So that's about your skill set. So coming to your responsibilities. So guys, as it is a developer role, you will be involved in designing the application. So you have to write the code, test it and debug it and maintain it across the various platforms or technologies, for which you should have a good .NET or C hash and SQL skills. So you should be able to develop, support and maintain these applications and technology solutions. And also you should be familiar with all the development tools, testing tools and project management methodologies and process. So you should have a good collaboration with all your onshore and offshore team members, and you should have to ensure the quality, and also should be able to handle all the bugs that are released into a production. And you'll be working under the direction of application manager or assistant manager, and you have to assist the technical lead with all your project team assignments. So guys, also your shift may vary like between 11 p.m. to 8 p.m., 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. as well, based on your business requirement. So guys, that's about your responsibilities and skill set for this position for minimum experienced candidates, for which you can expect up to 20 lakh per annum or even more than that. So guys, if you are interested in these kind of developer roles, so apply for it as soon as possible before it gets expired. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Amazon for digital marketing associate position for both freshers and experienced, for which you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum for a fresher. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria for this position. So you should have completed your undergraduation in any stream, and you should have a good mathematical and logical problem skills and good knowledge on MS Excel, and good communication skills are both verbal and written. So it's also good if you have a good knowledge on all XML standards and SQL queries and knowledge on Python or Selenium to perform some basic automation repetitive tasks and knowledge on digital marketing methods. So these skills are not mandatory, but it's good if you have these skills as well for your profile to be shortlisted quickly. So that's about your skill set. So you'll get posted in a Chennai location once you get hired for this position. And coming to your role, so here, guys, the primary responsibility for you to perform a marketing operations in order to improve the visibility of the content. So you should have a good knowledge on a digital marketing platforms, and also you should quickly understand all the marketing tools. So you have to follow some editing SOP to spot or catch the errors in the content, and also you need to perform continuous content quality checks like flow and format quality. So for this you have to use different software tools for content editing and data capture. And also you should be aware of operation metrics like productivity, like number of titles processed per hour and defect percentages and delivery latency or SLA. So you also should have a good contact with all your stakeholders in order to provide status of the reports and communicate with them relevant information and escalate whenever needed. So you should be undergraduate with exposure to all MS Office, and you should be comfort with all the numbers. And also you should have a good communication skills. So guys, that's a very quick information about this position from Amazon for digital marketing associate. So this position is open for both freshers and experienced. So if you are interested in these kind of non-coding roles from MNCs, apply for it as soon as possible before it gets filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Amazon for HR assistant position for which you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria for this position. So guys, at least you should have a 6 months experience, like previous experience you should show them in either human resource experience or customer service or Microsoft Office products or application experience. So you should have a good knowledge on all Microsoft Office products like Excel. So even a 12th pass is eligible to apply for this role, or even all diploma candidates can apply for this position. So that's about your eligibility criteria. And also it's good if you have a more than 1 year HR experience or a customer service or MS products experience. So it's not mandatory, but it's good if you have more than 1 year experience for your profile to be shortlisted quickly. So coming to your responsibilities. So guys, as an HR, you'll be involved in tracking all the leave management and daily attendance, and you have to do some agency audits and also salary input processing, and you'll be involved in annual salary hikes and monthly agency bill processing and query resolution with all your associates or finance. And also you have to take a proper accounting of a pantry and locus, etc. So you'll be involved in engagement activities as well, like birthday celebration or monthly learning activity, reward and recognition, or any other events that has to be organized for associate experience. So you have to attend all the emergencies at the site which are related to all HR services, and you have to manage some internal stakeholders and external stakeholders whenever required. And you have to publish a monthly HR dashboard and align all the site operations readers on specific insights. So guys, that's a very quick information about this HR position from Amazon. So your designation would be HR assistant, and also you'll get posted in a New Delhi location once you get hired for this position. Here you can see. So guys, if you are interested in these kind of HR roles, so apply it as soon as possible before it gets filled. And if you have any further queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can assist you further. And now let's see one more position from Amazon. So guys, we have one of the good opportunity from Zoho for digital marketing analyst position for both freshers and experienced, for which you can expect up to 3.5 lakh per annum for a fresher and up to 10 to 15 lakh per annum for experienced. So coming to your responsibilities. So you'll have to manage a Google Awards campaigns in order to improve the return on investment and generate the reports. And you will be involved in a performance metrics to provide recommendations and for continuous revised campaign strategy. So you have to understand the data and make decisions based on web analytics data and generate reports. So you'll have to integrate SEM campaigns including both paid search like pay-per-click and search engine optimization, social media and other paid or non-paid mediums. So you'll have to manage a search engine optimization of a few products, and thereby you have to generate the reports for the same. And you have to engage in all search engine marketing campaigns, including initial planning, implementation, monitoring, optimization, analysis, and then reporting. So guys, that's about your responsibilities for this position, a digital marketing analyst from Zoho. So both freshers and experienced can apply for this position. So I'll be providing you this link in the description, so just apply it as soon as possible. And now let's see one more position from Zoho. So guys, it's a product marketer's position from Zoho for both freshers and experienced. So for which you can expect up to 3.5 lakh per annum for a fresher and up to 6 to 7 lakh per annum for experienced. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria for this role. So all graduates can apply for this position, so both freshers and experienced. So coming to your job description, so you'll have to write or rewrite or test and maintain the website and landing pages. So you'll have to create and maintain comparison documents accurately, and you have to write briefly for ads, landing pages, marketing videos, webinars, and email campaigns. So you have to maintain analytics for websites and non-regular marketing campaigns. And also you have to create content that adds value to the customer and the market in general. And you have to track and optimize the pages in order to improve traffic and conversions. So guys, you'll get posted in any of these locations, like either in Chennai or Salem or Coimbatore or Tirunelveli or Madurai. So if you guys are interested in these kind of non-technical roles from a top MNCs, just apply for it as soon as possible before the position gets filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a recruiting associate position from Accenture for minimum experienced candidates. So you should have a good skills in talent acquisition recruitment side. So your designation would be recruitment associate, and you'll get posted in Mumbai location. So any graduate like BE or BTech or ME or MTech, BSc, BCom, BCA, so any graduate is eligible to apply for this position. But you should have a minimum of experience of 1 to 3 years in order to apply for this position. So coming to your skill set, you should have excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, and you should be able to take judgmental decisions that directly influences SLAs and OLAs. And you should have a very good knowledge on Outlook mailbox or group mailbox or MS Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SharePoint. And also it's good if you have a knowledge on Workday, SAP or service. That will be an added advantage for this position. So that's about your skill set. And coming to your responsibilities, you'll have to create a Snow or a SharePoint cases, and you have to draft the offers for new joinees and extend it throughout the workday. And you have to conduct some BGC checks for new joiners, and you have to take care of all the new joinee hiring process and reporting instructions. And also you have to take up all the daily and weekly calls with the recruiters in order to discuss the candidate status. And also you have to participate in some internal or client initiatives. And also you have to support the team lead or SME with the daily status and perform a first level quality checks and ensure that all the quality targets are met. So that's all about the recruiting process. So you have to take care of all the onboarding process for the new hiring. So that's about your responsibilities for this position from Accenture for recruiting associate position. So guys, it's a very good role, like which is a non-technical role, but it's from MNC. So it's more or like some HR role. So just don't miss this opportunity, and you can also expect some good salary for this position. Now let's see one more position. So guys, it's a software intern opportunity which is based on artificial intelligence technology from a Thermo Fisher company. So guys, if you're looking for these kind of intern opportunities from MNCs which is based on AI, so just don't miss this opportunity. And also it will become permanent based on your performance. So it's a full-time like internship which might become permanent based on your performance. So you'll get posted in Hyderabad location once you get hired for this position. So coming to your skill set, so coming to your eligibility criteria, all bachelor degree students in engineering, so all computer science engineering graduates or equivalent stream like artificial intelligence or machine learning. So these candidates can apply for this position. So you should have a very good understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning fundamentals, computer science subjects, and software engineering topics like operating systems and databases. And you should have a good programming skills like Java, Python, and C++, and you should be aware of all agile methodologies and process. So that's about your skill set and eligibility criteria. So coming to your responsibilities, you should be able to study and understand BPG SUD business unit product functionalities, which is the digitization projects, and you should be able to work one or more focus areas to define the project requirements like instrument automation, module developments, data acquisition, data modeling, and analysis. So you should be able to learn a review of work products from your product owners or SMEs and review the project requirements, and you have to apply all the software programming fundamentals to tackle the problems statements and set up the development environment, and you should be aware of all software development life cycle methodologies, and you should be able to work independently. So guys, that's about your responsibilities, which are very basic. So all you need to do is you should have very good understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning fundamentals, and all your academic topics in computer science engineering. So that's about your skill set. So if you have this knowledge, you can easily crack this interview. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity if you are looking for these kind of internship opportunities from MNCs, and which is actually based on artificial intelligence, which is a very good opportunity. So now let's see one more position. So guys, it's one more intern opportunity from Paytm, which is a business development intern opportunity. So you'll get a post in Bangalore location, but the good thing here is that it's a remote intern opportunity. So you can just work for this position, intern position, from your home. So, and also it's a non-technical intern opportunity. So you can see here you will be responsible for maintaining assigned client relationships. So you have to interact with all your internal teams for smooth flow of each event by listing all the marketing initiatives and payments. So you'll be the point of contact for smaller medium scale organizers for smooth functioning of all the accounts and documentation. So you should be able to manage all the incoming customer service queries, and you have to provide the resolutions on time, and also you should be able to identify the venue needs, collect feedback, and again share them to the relevant teams in order to achieve or meet the customer needs from time to time. So that's about your responsibilities for this intern opportunity from Paytm. So it's a remote intern opportunity. So guys, if you are looking for these kind of non-technical remote intern opportunities, so just don't miss this opportunity, apply it as soon as possible. And so that's about this role from Paytm. So guys, that's a very quick information about these various roles from these MNCs for today. So if you're interested or eligible in any of these roles, just apply for them right away. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel, which are still open from long ago. So please do check those as well and apply if you are eligible right away. And guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.